In this video, I'm going to unlock the secrets to how to play 12/8 time signature. Why is that so important? Well, if you want to learn songs like Hallelujah by Leonard Cohen, you got to learn how to play in 12/8. All right, welcome to ukelikethepros. You're going to learn that, or at least how to play just like that in this video. But I'm Terry Carter. I'm so happy that you're here. Thanks for being a part of this channel, this great community, this nation, the ukelikethepros nation that we have here. If you're new to the channel, we do ukulele tutorials, reviews. I give you tips. I give you life advice. We have challenges. We do giveaways. We even throw in some Guitarlele and Baritone. Please subscribe. Turn on that bell notification. 12/8 is a fantastic time signature playing. You hear it in songs like this. This is Hallelujah. You hear it in blues, like slow blues, slow minor blues. It's really something that's a really important rhythm to get down. And it's a little like hard to understand. At least people think it's hard. It's not. I'm going to show you 5 great rhythms that you can play using 12/8, and we're going to do it over Leonard Cohen's Hallelujah, at least part of it. All right, so again, so happy that you're here. This is exciting. This is a great video. It's going to be a great video as I do it. I'm playing my Koloha tenor. I have a low G on this. What are you playing? Doesn't matter for this video if you want a soprano, concert, tenor. I mean, if you have a baritone, as long as it's tuned G, C, E, A, doesn't matter if you have high G or low G, you can be part of this video. And if you like this ukulele or any other stuff, make sure to check out my #1 store online. That is store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, so for this one, I'm just going to use my thumb. I mean, you could use your index finger and stuff, but we'll just keep it real simple. There it is. One more time. There it is, nice and clean. All right, so 12/8, what does that mean? By the way, thanks for smashing that like button. 12/8 means 12 beats per measure. I know it seems like a lot. And each beat is getting an 8th note. That's what the 8 means. So 12 is a number of beats. 8 is what kind of beat. In this case, it's an 8th note. So essentially, you're just going to be doing this. And this is actually one of the rhythms that you could do. I guess we could just start off with this one. I was going to do this one last. But you could just literally go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just simply 12 downstrokes. Now, that gets a little boring. You might need to accent some of them. What does accent mean? Play some of them a little bit harder. But yeah, that's essentially it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, when you're doing this 12/8, you're really still counting, like your foot would be tapping this. It almost feels like maybe it's 4. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Because if you try to tap your foot 12 times per measure, it would get a lot. Your foot would get tired after a while. So let's just grab, just to try this, I want you to try this with me. Just grab your C chord and your A minor chord, okay? And we'll do it back and forth a few times just so you can kind of get the hang of it, all right? Let's do it. I do have a backing track. And by the way, if you want the sheet music for Hallelujah, if you want the backing track, by the way, if you want to learn this, I have tutorials on this, but if you want the sheet music back track, we'll put a link to that below. You can go sign up and get this totally for free. All right, so let's try this. Just remember C to A minor. No backing track. 1, 2, 4, bum, 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 bum. Here we go. So C, A minor. Again. All right, so that's it. Just that simple downstrokes, 12 downstrokes per measure. How do you do on that? It shouldn't be that difficult. You just got to kind of make sure that you're counting enough in time. So that's #1. All right, rhythm #2 for this. And by the way, what we're doing at the end is I'm going to show you all these different rhythms with the song Hallelujah, just the chords as well. And I'm going to show you all these things that we're putting together right here. All right, the second one here is, we're going to simplify it now, is just doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we're simply just strumming, remember, on these strong beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This one's going to allow it to breathe a little bit more. Okay, so let's do that with me. Just C to A minor, just doing that. Bum, bum. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's it. Now that one's really nice because it allows the music to breathe a little bit. All right, so that's number 2. All right, number 3. Okay, this one is cool. It's actually the same thing, but this is really cool. It's going to be this one. So I'm doing that same thing. I'm strumming on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same, just those. But if you notice on beats 4 and 10, I'm going ready and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm hitting not only at short staccato, and I'm stopping it 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm hitting it and I'm stopping the sound with my hand here. But I'm also accenting it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And the accent, I'm just hitting it a little bit harder. This one is really cool. It gives it a really kind of adds almost a little swing to the feel without actually making it swing. All right, so try it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, just feel it. Yeah. Just keep going. One more time. That is cool. I love that. Matter of fact, in the tutorial I do on Hallelujah, I actually use that part in the chorus. All right, so that's number 3. Don't forget, we're going to put all this together with the backing track at the end. And if you want this stuff, we'll put a link below. You can go get the sheet music and all that kind of stuff. All right, so number 4, though, it's going to sound like this. Check this out. Notice it's a little busier. And what I'm doing here is I'm adding some beats. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, I'm just using my thumb for all these. I'm on strike 2. I better watch out. I want one more strike and I'm out of here. Anyway, how are we doing so far? Leave a comment below. And again, thank you for smashing that like button. All right, so let's try this one, okay? Here we go, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Bum, 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 bum. You can keep going on that the whole time. All right, so that's number 4. We got one more. If you like what I'm doing, if you like me, dig my style, dig Uke Like the Pros, all this kind of stuff, check out ukelikethepros.com. We got courses up there. We got some free stuff as well. So you want to just get started for free, test it out. We got some free stuff and we have a fantastic premium membership. Come on over, be part of the Uke Like the Pros Nation. You will not regret it. The last one's probably my favorite here. And man, this was going to be number 4. But I've switched to order. This one is now the last one, number 5 here, which is going to be this. Game over. Game over right there if you can do this one. All I'm doing here is starting on beat 1. And then on beats 4, 5, and 6, I'm going 4, 5, 6. And I'm just hitting strings 4, 3, and 2. I do have a low G, so if you don't have a low G, high G works. If you need a ukulele with a low G, store.ukelikethepros.com. But anyway, 4, 5, 6, and that's it. So it's, again, if I'm doing on a C chord, it's strum a B1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then go to the A minor, bum, 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 C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Matter of fact, you can also do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Notice when you hit the bottom two strings together, it just gives it a little bit of a cool feel. All right, so let's try this together, just me and you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah, this one's cool. Bum, 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 da. One more time, just for the heck of it. All right, so there it is. That's number 5. So we just did 5 rhythms in 12/8. Now, what I like to do, kind of different. Let's just see what happens. I'm going to actually play through this really killer backing track I have of the Leonard Cohen's version of Hallelujah. If you want it, again, we'll put a link that you can go get this. But I just want to show you what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through it one time. We're going to have everything on the screen here, the chords and everything, if you want to try to follow along. But I'm going to use all 5 of those rhythms I just showed you, just so you can see how you can take a song like this and really kind of give it some life. All right, should we do it? Let's do it. Check this out. Boom, boom, boom. Here we go. And all right, so what did you think of that? Did you notice? I was kind of throwing it all in. I was just like throwing it all in, just kind of changing it. I just wanted to show you what you can do with this. And when you add some rhythms like this, it really brings the track to life. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Leave a comment below if you did. Thanks for smashing that like button and also subscribing to the channel. That's going to do it for this one. I mentioned earlier, if you need help with this or you want to learn a song, I have tutorials on that. You can click the link below to go get sheet music, backtrack, all that kind of stuff to really help you out to learn. And I appreciate you being here. Thanks for being part of the Ukelikethepros Nation. Until next time, take care of yourself, and we'll see you later.